The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all B gates. Exit here for all B gates. Please watch your step. The doors are closing. Please keep clear of the doors. This train is departing. Exit here for all A gates. Please watch your step. The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to terminals, ground transportation, and baggage claim.
Welcome to Denver. This is Mayor Mike Johnson. Whether you are planning on hitting the slopes or seeing one of our championship sports teams or slipping up in one of our new Michelin star restaurants, we want to welcome you home to Denver, the world's premier winter playground.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the terminal, ground transportation, and baggage claim. This is the terminal. All passengers, please exit and follow signs to ground transportation and baggage claim. Please watch your step. All passengers, please exit.